Today I will show you the interior design of 2 bedrooms in the same house for 2 siblings, one is 6 and the other is 13 years old. So the first room that I would like to show you belongs to the little brother, in which the mother asked me to keep the same furniture that he already has, but giving them a touch of renovation that wouldn't be too expensive. Despite the young age of this client, he had very clear idea of what he wanted to see in his room, and the first and most important thing was to incorporate the Black Widow movie poster, a world map made of wood, and use the color black, dark blue and reds in the decoration of his room. Let's start this room tour through the desk area, where at the request of the parents I have joined all the furniture that they already had in the room and give them a different touch with this black framing and repainting the doors in the grey, white and red colors. The wall next to the study area we have decided to paint it in black since it was the option that surprisingly the little customer liked the most. I have put a matching black gamer chair and painted the bookshelf that was already in the room in black color to match with the rest of the elements. The world map made of wood, I placed it on the wall of the bed and I have illuminated it to give some volume. The touch of nature was already present in this room, so I have kept it with different plants of different sizes. The headboard of the bed is custom made and it's made from a single piece of wood divided into different black frames. The bedside table is installed on the headboard and since it doesn't have leg, it does not take up too much space. And of course, at the request of our little client, the poster of his favorite movie is hanging above his bed. I haven't mentioned it, but each wall is painted in a different color. So the wall where he is going to study is white, where the bookcase it's in black color, where the world map wall it's in grey, and the headboard wall it's in dark blue color. The second room belongs to the oldest brother. It has 12.80 square meters, and here we have some picture of how the room was like before. Same as in the first room, we are going to keep the same furniture but giving them a new look with a coat of paint. In this case, the theme will be Japan. And the main hobby of this client is reading, so a comfortable armchair to read and a large library will be essential to do this decoration. They also sent me this picture for a reference because they like the idea of the honeycombs on the walls. Let's start this room tour on one of the walls where the honey panels are, although this is not the accent wall of this room. Just wait a little bit to see which is the most striking wall in this space. This is kind of a reading corner in a very comfortable armchair with footrest, the bookcase right behind it and a lot of natural lighting coming through the window. The work area is kept in the same place to take advantage of course of the natural light. However, I have changed the blinds by adding some small Japanese details on it. And here we have the accent wall that attracts the most attention and is dedicated entirely to Japan. This Japanese tree silhouette with the typical red sun symbolizing the land of the rising sun. Like the world map in the previous room, the tree is made of laser-cut wood and illuminated from behind. And it's something that the mother has explicitly asked me to do. Returning to the bed area, so as not to simply put the bedside table, I have opted for this large shelf with a reduced depth in a vibrant yellow color. I think it would be perfect to put all the Japanese miniature sculpture, comics and other collectible. I hope you like this project as much as I have enjoyed designing it. If you like to see this type of project, please consider subscribing since these are the type of videos that I love to make, so you won't miss any other in the future. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!